Hey guys, revolutionize your driving experience with the 12 coolest car gadgets. As usual, all the product links are in the description box, so keep watching and let's get it on and gear up for a journey of innovation and convenience. Trim Removal Tool Car Kit. Fed up with car maintenance headaches? Say hello to ease with the Trim Removal Tool Car Kit. This comprehensive package is your automotive savior, equipped to tackle tasks effortlessly. With a mix of compact and durable tools, bid adieu to trim panel and interior accessory struggles. No more damage concerns. The ergonomic design and user-friendly handles grant total control and access, even in those hard-to-reach spots. Make car maintenance a breeze. Xiaomi 70-minute Smart 1S. Journey to China for a glimpse at Xiaomi's prowess, not just smartphones, but the Xiaomi 70-minute Smart 1S dashcam. Unveiling quality and affordability at $41, from humidifiers to pressure cookers, they're in the game. This plastic wonder records wide-angle 1080p footage at 130 degrees. Wi-Fi and 64GB memory card support seal the deal. Compressed with H.264 for easy access on any device, built-in G-sensor safeguards, video during impacts, while voice commands enhance convenience. Resourceful users have even cracked an English version, and guess what? A 3D mount brings extra flair. Xiaomi, bringing innovation and value. Magnetic Fingertip Sleeve. Meet the Magnetic Fingertip Sleeve, the ultimate fingertip upgrade. Say goodbye to fumbling and frustration. This sleek design turns your fingertips into magnetic powerhouses. Tight grips on screws, nuts, and bolts transforms your work into a breeze of efficiency. No more dropping or searching for misplaced items. Embrace a simple solution for a more productive you. Rhino ImpactStep Connect. Enter the Rhino ImpactStep Connect, a guardian for your car's safety and your peace of mind. Imagine navigating the colossal Bremerhaven car terminal or even a local supermarket parking lot without a hitch. One small scratch can sour your day, but fear not. The creators of these ingenious protective steps have your back, shielding your vehicle and instilling careful parking habits. These steps are a game changer. Equipped with parking sensors, they provide an extra layer of vigilance. With material that compresses by 6 centimeters and smart pivoting brackets, corner impacts are absorbed. Initially for Mercedes-Benz Sprinter vans, expect this genius solution to expand into the sedan market. Solar Phone Mount. Revolutionize your driving with the Solar Phone Mount, a blend of style and innovation. This sleek metallic marvel, wrapped in soft silicone, safeguards your phone while offering a 180-degree rotation for optimal visibility. Here's the kicker, it charges your device using the power of the sun. The magnetic solar panel, boasting a lavish 24-karat gold-plated finish, guarantees lasting performance. Plus, the adjustable back guarantees safe driving with an unbeatable view. Embrace the future of driving and charging in one. THOR. Electric car evolution takes a thrilling twist with THOR. In a world where silent engines reign, automakers strive for fuel efficiency and eco-friendliness, yet enthusiasts yearn for that classic car symphony. Introducing the THOR electronic exhaust system, your ticket to sonic nirvana. Simple setup, speakers beneath the car, a cabin control unit linked via the CAN bus. Tailor your driving experience with a range of sports car sounds, delighting fellow drivers as you cruise. It's authentic, dynamic, and responsive to your gas pedal. The era of premium sound for electric cars is here, starting at $1,350. Unleash THOR and make your electric ride roar. Wiper Decals. Elevate your car's charm with Wiper Decals, your gateway to fun and uniqueness. These captivating decals instantly turn your wipers into eye-catching masterpieces. From spooky characters to adorable animals, the options are limitless. Easy to apply and remove, they won't hinder your wiper's functionality. Make a statement on the road, showcasing your style with these incredible wiper decals. SYVORTIK. Enter the SYVORTIK, where temperatures find their match. Whether it's a scorching 47 degrees Celsius or a chilling 8-degree drop, your car's cabin transforms into an oven or freezer. The hunt for cooling and heating solutions thrives, especially in locales like China. A $27 heater and a $19 fan are the heroes. The ceramic-fueled heater blasts hot air in seconds through your car's cigarette lighter. Meanwhile, the 5-watt fan cuts AC dependence with 3 speeds. Both compact models mount effortlessly on seat backs, ensuring optimal airflow for driver and passengers. Universally designed, they're fit for any car, even forklift cabins. The SYVORTIK revolutionizes your car comfort. Car dry cleaning gun. Revolutionize car cleaning with the car dry cleaning gun, a breeze to use. Just connect to an air compressor. Experience the magic as it effortlessly banishes dirt, dust, and debris from your car's interior. From floor mats to AC vents, it's a game changer for upholstery, dashboard, and even sneakers. Effortless and lightweight, your car's transformation awaits, hassle-free. KEYX. Introducing KEYX, a game changer that defies expectations. At first glance, it seems like a sleek smartphone or PDA, but behold the all-in-one smart car key. This remarkable device empowers you with car control at your fingertips, from door access to trunk locking, even alarm activation. But that's not all. It extends its range to garage doors, home appliances, and even keycard duplication for NFC, RFID, and HID systems. Uncomplicated operation reigns supreme. Point at a TV and it adapts, storing remote control settings with ease. With vast memory capacity and top-tier AES encryption, security is paramount. Weighing just 80 grams, boasting a week's charge, and even offering a 24-karat gold variant for those craving luxury, KEYX is a dynamic masterpiece. Elevate convenience, control, and style, starting at $200. Blind Spot Monitoring System. Elevate safety on the road with the Blind Spot Monitoring System, your driving's new ally. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates while enhancing visibility. Simple installation seals the deal. Stay alert with the LED alarm on the A-pillar, providing crystal clear warnings about moving objects and blind spots. This upgrade means a safer drive, detecting potential hazards within a 10 by 50 feet range behind your vehicle. Revolutionize your journey with the ultimate safety booster. GlideStep Plus FoldStep. Presenting the ultimate solution for effortless entry, the GlideStep Plus FoldStep Duo. No matter if it's a car, truck, bus, or motorhome, these retractable steps redefine accessibility. 2 stellar models await. Silver GlideStep, handling up to 200 kilograms, extends in 1.5 seconds, equipped with an LED strip. Meanwhile, the robust yellow FoldStep supports 205 kilograms, designed for manual opening if needed, tested over 28,000 cycles. Behind these innovations stands a world-leading manufacturer, synonymous with emergency service steps and even adorning London's electric cabs. Embrace innovation and ease every journey with GlideStep Plus FoldStep. Spot any gadget that grabbed your attention? Share in the comments the one you're eager to add to your collection. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.